Hey guys, a very good evening and welcome to our channel. So this video is for the NEET applicants of Gujarat state. So as the registration was started earlier itself, so there is a new notice for all of you. Visit the website www.medadmgujarat.org. On visiting the website, the following interface will appear. Under it, click on the medical, dental, Ayurvedic, and homeopathy link under the category undergraduate admission. As soon as you click on that link, the following interface will appear. So here you can find, you can see that the process of online admission was started since 16th of November, and they have also released the list of help centers, and there is another advertisement for online registration. So let me explain the entire timetable. So basically you can get your online pin purchase, which will cost you 200 rupees from the website of the admission committee, and the process has already started from 17th of November and will and the last date of this pin generation is 28th of November. Then comes online registration, that will also occur from 17th to 28th of November. Basically generation of pin is going to be considered as your online registration. And then comes document verification and submission of photocopies of documents at the help center. So as I said that there are a list of help centers that was in the previous interface that you can check out and select the help center which is nearest to you, and you can visit there for document verification and for submission of the documents. So you can select it on your own after you generate your online pin. So as already said, the pin generation will cost you 200 rupees, which is a non-refundable amount. And after online registration, candidates have to take prior appointment for the document verification, and they need to submit self attested photocopies of the documents at the help center, and you need to select the help center from that list as per your convenience. You can select both the convenient date and convenient and nearest help center for document verification, and that will appear on your registration slip uh, when you will take out, and you need to take out the print of that registration slip and visit the help center on the selected date for document verification, and do take the self attested photocopies of the original of the original documents. Okay, so thank you and stay tuned with the channel for further ICAR and NEET related updates, and do hit the like button and share the video as much as possible. Thank you.